This is how you do some bead receiver. Level, as you can see. Cut a foot off this, 1.5 feet.
That shit burns.
Yeah, okay. The recording still? Is this thing on?
Is this thing on?
Alright. Now, perfect fit.
Should be.
And perfect fit. Right up to the top of the level. Boom. Look at that. Screw her in there.
There?
Yep. Yep.
God damn, that's hot.
Still level.
Right,
put the rest of the screws in. No! Gosh darn. That's a stupid spot to put those. Whoever did that. Whoever put those there is an idiot. We don't need to go back and check the footage either. This is Heatwave pool where we pick up screws. Alright, that's enough.
Did you put it right back in the same location?
No?
Sick.
Peace out.
These are the liner boys.
Peace out, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the morning. Heatwave.